match has got the hair on the back of my neck standing up, Michael. This is going to be great.
Oh, folded up like an accordion. Narrowly avoids the attack there.
Oh, what a performance by these competitors. The WWE Universe screaming from both sides.
Oh my, an explosive suplex.
Man, DDT'd right on his face. Boy, he was able to reverse and get out of that.
He does it again.
Did you see that? What an impact. Oh, what a painful kick.
These superstars looking for a victory, looking to build momentum.
Wow, what a slam to the ground. There's that big Oklahoma slam.
Orton with a fiendish counter.
Clothesline.
This is unreal, King.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up?
Great match here. But if you missed any of the matches from this week, go to WWE.com to catch up on all the action.
And there's the reversal.
An impressive suplex.
DX chop.
No, not again.
Nothing flashy about that by the game, but it most certainly was effective. Dodges to the side of that one.
He was one step ahead on that one.
Triple H can be emotionless in the ring. He's got that unique... This doesn't end in the count.
Oh, my! Someone's getting a taste of their own finishing moves.
Look at the eyes of the game. What should we expect from Randy Orton here, King?
Oh, geez. You know, these competitors are so evenly matched, I wouldn't even begin to guess at this point.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men. And again, the feet fly. Oh, and the knee connects.
Cerebral assassin measure. Stay down. Stay down.
The physicality. He can barely stand, but he still presses on. Hooking away. Two.